What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be uploading a video about me going shooting the AM15 I got, and then we're gonna be checking out the replica EOTech like red dot and magnifier I got. So yeah, let's just get right into it. But before that, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers and everyone just watching the videos. I hope these are really keeping you entertained. Hoping to get like a filmer every now and then just so they could be a little bit more quality. But I hope it's good enough right now. Appreciate y'all stopping by. I'll catch y'all later. What's up, guys? This thing finally landed in the mail. Really, it's two pieces, but it is a replica EOTech red dot with a magnifier, and honestly pretty sick. Like, having this thing on the gun has been kind of cool. There's a little box, came in a little Pelican thing. A little Pelican box. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Here's the little red dot itself. Probably seen these in other videos, you know. Pretty basic. I like that it has the quick attach thing. Almost like a little... Guys, I'm pretty hyped on this new red dot magnifier kit I got. It's like a replica EOTech. But man, this thing's actually pretty dope, you know? I haven't shot with it just yet. We're about to head out and do that after we get done talking here. But yeah, you know, it's pretty cool stuff right here. It's really basic. It says holographic sight. It's definitely just a red dot, but you know, I'm not tripping for the price of what it was. I'm not tripping one bit. You know what I mean? It was like maybe $70, $80. Can't beat that, you know? Well, I guess we're really gonna see it later, but it's been pretty cool so far, just having it on there. And we do got this little magnifier as well. I think it's like ×3 or something like that. But that's dope. It's real dope, actually. But yeah, having these things, I've honestly been pretty hyped on them. Just kind of having it on the gun. Even though I haven't really fired it or anything yet. But it's just been pretty tight. And honestly, attaching these is pretty simple. So let's just get right on into that. Alright, so show y'all this thing is clear. Completely clear. We are fine and safe right here, guys. Yeah, attaching the red dot on here, pretty simple, you know, battery things going up to the front. Does have these little things right here, you kind of just push, you know, quick release type deal. So should make it fairly easy just to throw it right on. Yeah, but I think that's it right there. Yeah. It's on there. I do need to tighten this other bolt down. I think a little bit. This one right here. That I think will tighten down the whole thing. But for just showing demonstrations, you know, it'll work just fine. Same thing with this. Push that. Pull it out. I'm really hoping I'm putting this on right. But I'm pretty sure I am. So put it right there. I mounted it this way with the lever. I mounted it this way with the lever facing that way because I do not have an ambidextrous charging handle, which I am going to change to soon, and it would get in the way of this part right here. So I did just mount it right there. And then, yeah, and you make sure it's all on there. Push that thing that way. Oh shit, wrong way. I didn't even have it seated all the way on. Make sure it's on there all the way. And then you push that lever back. Yep, now she's on there good. Nice and sturdy. And yeah, that's basically it. Not much to it. She's really dope though. She's a little dirty. Just pulled up to the range right now. A little bit early, hoping I can buy my you can get like a membership pass or whatever, and you can kind of go like a little before it opens up, and I think you don't have to pay like for your lane. You can be there as long as you want. I think you usually pay like $20 an hour. But yeah, let's go in there. Got the rifle and stuff, so we'll just see what happens. Right here, I'm just kind of showing you where I shot my first couple rounds, and I was aiming right at the A, but they were, you know, a little more up to the left, so I think I got sighted in a little bit better. And after realizing that, I did make an adjustment, aimed lower and slightly to the right, and got those right there. So, I mean, pretty good. I went for C and D, went the other way too, and I just went crazy. Got one headshot in there. But yeah. A good range day, a bit short. Homie's supposed to pull up, bunch of stuff happened. It's kind of just solos, made it hard to record and all that. Still did some shooting. Hope I got some cool clips. Yeah, I did a little bit of shooting. Need to sight in my red dot, I guess what I kind of learned. And besides that though, the gun shot pretty amazing. Didn't jam up wands, didn't do anything funny. And yeah, so it was a pretty good range day, you know? Chilled out. See what we're gonna do next. Probably gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna do something. So I'll catch y'all soon.